Hey guys, middle of cleaning stuff up here at Bowling Green, putting stuff away. Cup weekend. I mean, we're here. We ran okay. Went out first round with Lizzie. Got what I wanted to draw our first round. If that's who I drew, rather have her then and close to the first pair. But anyway, I changed stuff around on the turbo, put my old turbo back on it. I think made a lot more boost than what I was running yesterday, which is good, but bad for my tune-up. Not saying that's what happened, but you know, the day was a whole lot different. A little bit hotter track conditions. I know Lizzie was loose down at the other end. We got loose in the middle and never had to pedal it, but got loose and I saw her stick a nose on me, and that was the end of our day with that. Jumped into Outlaw Big Tire, ran that. Had Adam Jennings first round, had the left lane, and just still didn't get enough pulled out of it. So really looking forward to going testing. Want to try a few other things, and it's been tough. These are 4 in a row. Actually 6 in 7 weeks. Is right? Yeah, six races in 7 weeks. So it's been pretty hard on everybody, and really need to go test. I mean, that's the bottom line. So don't know if it's going to happen before we go to Brainerd next weekend, but we're sure going to try and move some stuff around and try some different stuff. We've got Brainerd, then we've got Houston, then we get a break. So not sure what's going to happen. Hopefully we've got a blower by the second half of the season from Hartz. So see how things go. Right now, bottom line is we suck. I mean, hopefully we're doing okay for everybody, but in the same token, it's frustrating for me because we're out here busting our tails, trying to do what we think is right and how it needs to be done. But some of the fast guys are out. Running the Outlaw Big Tire today, crazy as it is, I mean, it looked like the who's who, the top 10. Robin was in there, Scott Taylor was in there, Manny Majinga was in there. I don't even remember who all was. There was 17 cars in Outlaw Big Tire and a lot of hitters. So that being said, it just shows how tough this deal is getting. One little bobble, one mistake on the tree, one anything, and you're one and done. So we'll move on, see what happens in Brainerd. Haven't been there since 1998 probably, so kind of looking forward to that. Hopefully the weather's a little cooler, and see what happens. So appreciate you guys for following us and staying in touch and ordering merch and all that stuff. So we're just going to keep hammering at it and trying to get everything where it needs to be. Keep up with these guys. So appreciate it all.